We now head to the next platform on social media, that is Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform that attracts more of women community rather than the male. In the foreign countries, Pinterest audience is almost 60 to 70% of women rather than of males. It is an image-based platform, which is why it interests more of the women audience. Let us understand how Pinterest can be useful for businesses. As mentioned, Pinterest is a social network which allows users to visually share and discover new interests or new images by posting images or videos known as pinning on Pinterest on their own or other boards, and also by browsing what other users are pinning or posting. To use Pinterest, one needs to follow a few simple steps. First, create a profile or a business account. Upload a profile picture and other information about your business. Create boards by clicking on the Create Board button and then filling up details like the name for the board, a description to the board, and also what category it caters to. You can then start pinning pictures from the web or from your offline devices. Let us understand how we can use Pinterest for businesses. The first thing to do is to make your business website Pinterest friendly. You need to install the Pinterest plugin and integrate that on your website. This will enable the audience to pin any product images that they come across on the website on Pinterest and interact with them. One should also create good appealing content which can be pinned on their accounts. Because Pinterest is a very visually led platform, the content needs to look rich and appealing. Make sure you know what are the image requirements on Pinterest. Also explore the different categories that Pinterest caters to. Make sure you know what your customers would like and pin useful content which the customers will like and engage with. Do not pin items or images as individual updates, but pin them as a team by creating themed boards. Also make sure you have an eye on your numbers of followers and interactions that you get on Pinterest. The benefits of using Pinterest for your business are: 1. It expands the reach of your content. Another benefit is that it helps to increase the brand or business visibility. It also helps you drive traffic to the website. Now, before moving forward, let us understand the different terminology for the Pinterest platform. What is a pin? A pin is a visual bookmark which links Pinterest to other websites. These visual bookmarks are basically images that can be linked on your Pinterest profile from the other websites, from an offline device, or from anywhere a visual medium is available in the internet. Next, we will know what is a pin board. A pin board is a group or a board where you'll save related pins. For example, if you create a pin board for different recipes you find online, you will not post any other different type of pins or images other than recipes on this particular board. The next term is repin. As you have a share or a retweet feature available on Facebook or Twitter, Pinterest has a repin feature. When you save a pin you find on Pinterest on your own pin boards from other pin boards or from other profiles, it is known as a repin or repinning. The next important term which you need to get familiar with is a pinner. Users who are active on Pinterest are commonly known as pinners. Whenever you find pinners like you can choose to follow them and follow their pins, and also share any new pins that you see when it appears on your homepage